Hey, wait. Isn't that the fire engine that was stolen? Whoa! Jesus Christ! What is he doing? And I should really call the police. Get out of the car now! Get out of the car!
Never!
I know he's not fast, but like, I need to get the fire engine.
Oh!
Get back
You
here!
never catch me!
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Stop running!
Never!
Oh, fuck. Whoa, whoa! Shit, I need to get back in my car. It's destroyed. I'll just get this muscle car. Sorry, person. I'm trying to save the day. Before that psychopath destroys the world. Whoa!
Oh! Oh!
Get in my car. Get in the car. Come on. No, wait! Fuck. Shit. Sorry. Oh no. The police. They're after both of us. Stop, we can team up. Whoa. Jesus. I can't let this... Don't know, I think it's a girl or a boy, I'm not sure. I can't let them escape though. Come back here! Where are they gone? They're there! Hey, you! Go back here!
Leave me alone!
You're trying to destroy the world! Why do you think I'll be leaving you alone? Oh, shit, police! Whoa! Jesus Christ, you're trying to kill me? Get down to the floor! Ugh. God, I'm out of gas. Put your hands up.
Never!
Get in. What the hell? No, I can't let them get away. Shit.
Shit, where did I go? This way.
Ah!
No, cops!
Come on, go, 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 go.
Found me! Oh!
Whoa!
Oh!
They killed her. Okay, that's good. I just can't let the police get me. Come on, get in this car, get in the car. Yo, Luke, you there? Luke, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
Where are you?
I'm here.
Yo, why are you dressed up as a girl?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Come on.
Disguise.
Okay, the guy that's trying, the girl or whatever, is trying to destroy the world. She's dead, thank God.
Yes. Hold on.
But the police are after us.
What are we gonna do? I know.
Well, I was trying to get her to get into my car, but whoa! Damn, but it wasn't working, and her team has the bomb. Whoa!
Whoa, what? What happened?
Jesus!
Oh.
Missiles are everywhere. They launched them off already. Oh no.
You gotta run, quick.
Where can we go?
I know, but we gotta hide. Come on, follow me.
Get on the
Let me
highway.
call my vehicle. Try to call them.
Oh wait, there's my car. There's my car. Oh! I'm over here! God damn it. Wait, there's the fire engine!
Quick, get after.
Duh! I got it!
And I'm following you.
Okay, we need to bring this back to our hideout. Do you know where our hideout is? Whoa!
Yeah. Follow me.
Okay, I'll follow you. Okay, we need to watch out for the missiles because they have cameras on us. They know where we're going. They know our hideout. We know that they're underground, so we need to be careful. No! Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. We're nearly there. Hold on.
Okay.
Just a little further.
Whoa, whoa, Jesus Christ! I think they're hacking everything.
Hold on, come on. It's up here. Well, let's pick up the pace.
Coming. Sorry, this thing's just a bit slow. You need to find the camera they have in this thing. Could be dangerous. Shit! I may have just killed over like 2 people there, or like 5 people by accident. Yo, can you slow down a bit?
It's okay. Yeah. I'll wait up for you.
Sorry, boss. Didn't mean it. Well, I probably did, but never mind.
Come on, it's just up ahead. Come on, we're nearly there.
Good. Sick of waiting. Whoa!
Oh,
Jeez. Wait, the car's smoking. I can't really see that well.
wait, what? My car's not stopping. My car's not stopping.
No!
Hold on.
Okay, keep steering! I'm gonna come to you! I'm gonna come to you!
Oh.
Wait, what the hell?
Oh.
It's moving itself! Oh my god. Oh no.
This is the hideout. I just hacked the bridge. Come on. Let's go.
Where's the bridge?
It's over here.
It's like, it's controlling itself. I can't get out of here. Help me.
Alright, I'm coming.
Wait, I need to hop out. What is wrong with this thing?
Alright, hold on.
Whoa! You okay?
Try now.
Yeah, it's working.
Now
But
reverse.
whoa! I can't stop it! Ah! Oh, I just did it. Okay, where do we have to go?
Follow me.
Sure thing. If I can, if this thing... I'm pretty sure they have something inside this that we need to try and hack. It's controlling, come on! It's like, I can't break it, so... It's quite bad. Are we here?
Yeah. Follow me.
Okay.
Oh, I missed it. Over here.
Where?
It's up here. Alright, leave the cars here. Shoot. door's not opening.
Wait, Luke. Oh no, there's one of their cars. Oh, shit.
See, look. There's the door. It lifts us up and brings us over to there.
Wait, follow me. I hacked something down here. Hop in. Come on. Ah! Okay, it didn't work. Coming up now. They took away the thing that leads me up to my house. It's up there. I can't seem to get up there. Okay. We can wait out here and just wait for them to come out. Is there any cameras we can hack? Search for cameras.
Right, I have it. I unlocked it.
Good. Come on, get in.
Come on, follow me. Quick, down here. Over here.
Why do we have to make the glass bulletproof?
Quick, jump on.
Did they take our boats? Shit, they took our boats as well. Okay.
Come on. Down.
Yeah. What? We just need to stay here. We just need to stay somewhere at least. We need to just stay here for the night until they come out. We can actually go in then. Wait, hop up here.
Keep going. Up here. Down here should be a nice spot. Hold on, let me try and jump. Oh,
Yeah, just stay here for the night.
yeah. Look in here. They won't be able to see us.
Stay behind.
Stay here.
We'll wake up tomorrow and see if they're
Yeah.
gone.